Looking for the best road flares? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 road flares on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. StonePoint LED Lighting, Emergency Roadside Beacon LED Lighting Flare Kit. Storage bag included. Red lights are visible from as far as 2 miles. Magnetized back can stick to your car. Versatile enough for use in many situations. Lights are very bright. Long-lasting light. Durable. Set of 3 emergency beacons that come in a convenient bag and have a long-distance visibility rating. These lights only have 2 modes, flashing and solid. Batteries can be difficult to replace. At number 2. LifeGear LED Emergency Road Flares. These flares have both a solid LED light mode as well as a flashing light mode. They are even brighter than some of the more expensive options. These are surprisingly bright little road flares for a surprisingly low amount of money. They are generally not as durable as most of the similar designed flares. They may not last as long as others. At number 1. GOSTAR Rechargeable LED Road Flares. This set of road flares is exceptionally durable. The top of each flare also doubles as an LED flashlight, making it twice as useful as the competition. Rechargeable, weatherproof, and magnetic. This set of road flares has everything you need for a roadside emergency. Unfortunately, this particular model is not Coast Guard approved for marine use, so they can't be used for boating. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.